Welcome to this beautifully updated home, located in one of Sherwood's most desirable and convenient neighborhoods. Here you're just minutes from local parks, scenic trails, the YMCA, top-rated schools, and the charm of Old Town Sherwood. From the inviting, covered front porch, head inside to a warm, open interior and a layout that just makes sense. Updated flooring, fresh interior paint, and a natural flow between spaces create a home that's both comfortable and functional. Unwind in the light-filled family room with a cozy fireplace. It opens to the well-appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances, an island, abundant storage, and a pantry. Perfect for everyday living, entertaining, or simply staying connected. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms, plus a spacious bonus room. Whether you need a home office, media room, or guest space, it's a flexible layout. The generous primary bedroom includes a bright, relaxing ensuite with a large walk-in closet with organizers. Out back, the fully fenced yard offers a great space to relax or entertain. You'll find a covered patio, convenient tool shed, large garage, and generous driveway with RV and boat parking. It's the kind of home that checks all the boxes and feels even better in person. For more information, please contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group.